Hey guys, today I'll be testing out the spicy McNuggets. Before that, I'm gonna have to get rid of the appetizers first. I got let's see, a McDouble with bacon in it, I think. I'll be eating it now. It's the McDouble. It's from McDonald's, by the way. It's a McDouble. There's a little onion, pickle, ketchup. Sorry about that. Hello? Oh, you need your mask. I have my mask.
I got one here. Got one here.
I'm doing a food review. So yeah, I'll give that a solid 8 out of 10. Solid. Bread's a little soggy, but meat's pretty solid. If y'all ever tried Shake Shack, y'all some lucky folks. Out here, got another McDouble, no American cheese. It's another McDouble. Yep. No. It's McDonald's. It's a McDouble. Leave it down in the comments. Have y'all ever tried a Big Mac before? Pretty solid. Yeah, it's been very different from these Coronas time. Just have to adapt to it. So I think McDonald's has the best burger. Yeah. Probably I'd go with either Shake Shack or Five Guys. That was another McDouble. Gulp down a few bites. On to the spicy chicken McNuggets. A little red color. Yeah, I see the color. Oh! Wow, whoa, 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 whoa. It's actually pretty spicy. Okay. It's actually... I don't know if you can read it, but I think it says spicy around here. Oh! It says spicy. It says spicy. I'm going to try it without any drink. It's very dangerous. Don't try it. This is very risky. That's one without a drink. Oh my goodness. Two without a drink. I mean, no, that's one without a drink. Sorry. Spicy. I'm doing this without any drink. I know. Oh! My goodness. I can feel some of the hotness in my throat. Just trying to gulp it all down. No drink. Doing it like a pro. No drink. Period. Oh. Oh my goodness. This is actually really hot. It's giving me the sweats. Oh my goodness. I can feel some sweat. I can feel a sweat rush. Oh my goodness, it's so hot. It's not even funny. I don't know how I'm doing this. I'm doing this without any drink so far. When I'm done, I'm allowed to drink. Got one more. Oh my goodness. This is impossible. Bruh. It's sizzling hot. That's the last one. I'm literally sweating. I feel sweat. I feel like imaginary sweat right now. It's that hot. It gets hotter every time you eat it. Oh my goodness. Whoa. I can feel sweat. Actual sweat. Oh! Give me a drink. Peace. Don't try this at home, kids.